My name is Sergio Salim. I'm the hosting, cloud, and infrastructure project manager for CMPC. CMPC is a Chilean cellulose company founded 105 years ago and dedicated to cellulose with a presence in 12 countries. CMPC grew a lot in the last 15-20 years buying companies. So one of the biggest challenges we have is the number of applications we have, the level of obsolescence, all the plants we have in different locations. What we are planning to achieve with this move to Google is how to consolidate, how to improve our time to market, and mainly how to treat obsolescence. For sure, I can say that the proximity between Google and the CMPC was key. We were using Google before this big change with small initiatives. And since the beginning, Google was together with us, helping define the plan, together with Kyndryl, our partner in this journey. Since the beginning, they were together. So they present to us as a single provider. So giving us ideas, giving us advices, tips about what is next. We have a large number of applications. As part of the next steps, we need to modernize everything. Building this foundation right now is fundamental, is a key strategy for us to be able to track and to support the operations. Being able to deliver faster, being able to reduce the level of obsolescence and to deliver more quality to our clients is key for us.